is not correct. So you have made one wrong guess. Next, group 3. There are 3 free wrong guesses one can make. 3 free wrong guesses. Okay. Of letters. Wrong guess of letters. Not of the state. Yes, group 3. Ask me. Okay, you've got a lot of time. Let's move to group 4. Group 4 now. Sonakshi, Aditya.
Meghalaya. Meghalaya.
I can't hear. No. Meghalaya spelling, then you don't know. I should start giving minus points. Now, no. Group 4 chance has gone. Group 4 chance has gone. It is not Meghalaya. Now, group 5.
Sir, K.
K.
Group
K.
5.
Okay, very good. Next.
Sir, T.
T.
Karnataka, sir. Sir, it is Karnataka.
Karnataka. Very good. Very good. So group 5 gets 5 points. Group 5 gets 5 points. Now let us move to group 3. Okay, group 4, you lost your chance by telling Meghalaya. Okay, you lost your chance. So now let's come to group 3. This is a group 3 question for Sarthak and Asmi. 7 letters. Now this is a capital city. This is a state capital. It is not a state. 7 letters. Don't make random guesses. You make guess of letters A, B, C, D, and see where they fit in. Okay.
A.
A. Okay. A. Okay. 7-letter word and capital city. A appears is the 6th letter. You can guess.
T.
Huh?
T.
T. T for?
T for tiger. T.
T for tiger. Okay, it is not there. So T is one wrong guess. You can make 2 more wrong guesses without any penalties.
N.
Huh?
N.
Which letter?
N.
N. Okay, N is a good one. So N appears twice. Now you are on the right track. Now don't make a faltu guess. Okay, you get the letters and get it right.
Time up.
Chennai.
Who told that?
Me. Ask me.
Ask me. So what is your answer?
Chennai.
Chennai. Very good. Very good. But you should have tried by telling C, I, etc. Okay, because if it was wrong, it would have passed on. So Chennai is the correct answer. You get full 10 points. Congratulations. Okay. So now we get to Aditya and Sonakshi. 6 letters, capital city. It's the capital of a state, 6 letters.
Sir, I.
I. Very good. I is there. 6th letter is I.
6 letter is I.
R.
R. Yeah, you seem to have got it. Try some more. Don't make random guesses. Yes?
A.
A. Okay, Aditya.
N.
N. Excellent.
C.
Very good. So you have got it now. What is the answer?
Ranchi. Ranchi.
Ranchi. Excellent. 10 points. 10 points to group 4. Now we move to group 5. Group 5, 9 letters.
9.
State. It's the name of a state. 9 letters, name of a state.
9 letters. Oh, sir, O.
O. No, O is not there. O is a wrong answer. Wrong guess. So you can make 2 more wrong guesses.
Sir, C.
C is a wrong guess. You can make 1 more wrong guess. 9 letters. Huh.
Sir, T.
T. Nah, now you have 3 wrong guesses. Now you can guess the state and move on, because we will move to the next team now, because you have made 3 wrong guesses.
Sir,
So-
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu is wrong because T is not there, na? So Tamil Nadu is wrong. Now we'll move to group 1. Group 1, Arnika and Sanskruti, you have an state which is 9 letter long and it does not have OCT and it is not Tamil Nadu. Okay, so don't guess any of these. Yes.
Sir, J. Sir, J.
J, it is J. J comes here. First letter. Huh? A.
Sir, H. H. Sir, H. H. Jharkhand.
Excellent. Okay. So you get 5 points for the past one. So group 1 gets 5 points. So now we have come to the end of round 1. So the scorers will tell us the score, and while the scorers tell us the score, we can go to the audience round. Now we don't have group 6, so this can be the audience round. Anybody can try. Students also can try. Audience round. This is a capital city. 6 letters.
सर ए
A.
सर कोई भी बोल सकता है क्या?
कोई भी बोल सकता है. हाँ, कोई भी बोल सकता है, लेकिन स्टूडेंट लोग को पॉइंट नहीं मिलेगा. कोई भी बोल सकता है.
सर बी
B. No, not B. O. Capital city, 6 letters.
सर क्वेश्चन होगा क्या?
ओडिशा सर ओडिशा
Odisha is not a capital city, and Odisha, the first letter is O, not the second letter. Don't make blind guesses.
सर कोलकाता
No, Kolkata is 7 letters.
सर के.
Huh?
के.
K, very good. K, huh? Somebody told some. Kohima, correct. The correct answer is Kohima. Correct answer, Kohima, capital of Nagaland. Okay. Now are the scorers are ready?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell the scores?
Yeah, 1 minute.
Then we can have, while the scorers are getting ready, one more quiz for the audience. Name the Indian state whose name and its capital and its big river all have same number of letters.
बिहार
Bihar,
Bihar,
Patna and Ganga.
excellent.
Bihar.
Who told that? Who told Bihar?
नीति सिस्टर
Very good, very good. All have 5 letters. Bihar, Patna, Ganga, all 5 letters. Can we have the score? Scorers not ready? Then can we?
Can you see the screen?
No, why don't you tell?
Okay. Group 1 is at 5 points. Group 2, Niti and Nikhilesh at 5. Group 3, Sarthak and Ashmi at 10. Group 4, Aditya, Sonakshi 10, and Group 5, Yuvraj and Shashwat at 5.
Okay, okay, very good. Now you would have seen now the strategy. Okay, that if you just guess like that, you will not win. You are only helping other people. So you have to think of the letters and tell the letters one by one. Okay, so we will have one more round with the same rules, but this time you have to guess rivers and lakes, hills and mountains of India.
Okay.
Rivers and lakes, hills and mountains of India. Same rules. Group 1, it's the name of a river, 7 letters.
River.
7 letters, name of a river. Do not guess the name of the river straight away. You tell ABC.
Yamuna.
No, it passes. I told you, don't guess the name of the river. It passes. So we go now to, we go now to the next team, Group 2. Group 1 wrongly guessed Yamuna. So we move to Group 2.
Survive.
Niti told
Survive.
A and Nikhilesh told Y. So Y is wrong letter. A is correct. A appears last letter. Next. Yamuna has 6 letters. Huh? So this is 7 letter.
Sir, B.
B. You have got one more incorrect guess to make, Nikhilesh. So before that, try to guess. W.
N.
Actually, your 3 are over, but I am going to give it to you. Now you have to guess, or we will move to the next team. Guess the river now, because you have 3 incorrect guesses. Guess the river. You don't want to guess? Okay, we will move to the next team, Group 3.
Krishna.
Who told Krishna? Group 2? Who told Krishna? Niti, very good. Okay. Now, because I cannot see you, it's the correct answer. Krishna is correct answer. So Group 2 gets 5 points. Okay. Now, Group 2 gets 5 points. Now it's the turn of Group 2. So Group 2 now, again, Niti and Nikhilesh, 7 letters, another river. River name, 7 letters.
A.
So A is a good try to make. A appears in names of many letters. So A appears twice, 7 letters. Guess more. Guess more letters, not rivers.
Sir, S.
No, S is not there.
Time up.
Yeah, time up, but we are giving more time. Yeah.
M.
N is not there. M. Okay.
Yeah.
You should tell M for mango like that so that I can hear clearly. Okay. M for mango, N for what?
Sir, G.
G, no. Where I grew up, no, where first 17 years of my life, this river was there within 3 kilometers of where I stayed.
K.
K is not there. Okay, so 3 guesses, 3 wrong guesses are over. Now it goes to group 3. Asmi and Sarthak. No? Shall we move then to group 4? Sonakshi and Aditya. Group 4. N. No, N is not there. Then we will move to group 5. Group 5 is Shashwat,
Sir,
Yuvraj.
the top results.
Hello?
Sir, J.
J.
Yes, sir.
J is not there. Okay. Then it moves to group 1. Huh? Yuvraj told something? Yuvraj told something I cannot hear. No. Okay. Then we will move to group 1. Sanskruti and Arnika. It is 7-letter river. SGKNJ. Huh? T is not there. Y is not there. No, now see, now past things, no more than 3, only 1 wrong guess is allowed. So we will come back to group 2. Back again to group 2. Nikhilesh, Niti. D, very good. D is there. D. Can you guess now? Huh? Damodar. The Damodar.
Sir, Damodar.
Correct answer.
Damodar.
But, yeah, correct answer. But this is past round, so 5 points. 5 points to group 2. Now we move to group 3.
Sir, group 4 tell. Group 4.
Group 4 told this. No, but this was group 2's chance, na? See, I'm sorry, if you tell out of turn, that is the problem. This was group 2's chance, so you could not have told. So now we get to group 3. Group 3, 7 letters, name of a lake. Sarthak, Asmi. Name of a lake, 7 letters. It is very easy, no hints. Quick. Tell a letter. Yes, Sarthak. Asmi.
Sir, A.
A. Okay. Very good.
Sir,
I could not hear clearly. Can you repeat?
I.
R.
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 I.
I. I is there. Now 3 letters you have got. You have taken a lot of time. Shall we move to the next group then? Any more letters you want to guess?
Sir, C.
C is there.
Sir, O.
Sir,
O is not there.
sir,
Huh.
group 4.
Group 4 is talking now.
Sir, Chilika.
Chilika, who said that?
Aditya.
But the point goes to group 3, na? I did not come to group 4. So Aditya, you have helped group 3. So group 3 will thank you for that. 10 points to group 3.
And minus
You should have no minus. I am not doing because then minus 20 would have been for Aditya. But he is in very generous mood today. He is helping other teams. So Aditya, thank you very much. Group 2, you have helped to get 5 points. Group 3, you helped to get 10 points. You could have just waited now and got points for yourself. So group 3, you have got 10 points. You should thank Aditya. And now we move to group 4. Now Aditya, it is your turn. Name of a river, 8 letters. Name of a river, 8 letters.
G.
G.
Sir, G. O. Sir, O.
Oh, you seem to have got it. Godavari, correct. Who said Godavari? Very good, Sonakshi. And Aditya, very well done. So 10 points. Aditya, you have been generous.
I got it.
Yeah, group 4 has been generous to others. They are also getting score for themselves. So very good, group 4. Now we will get to the last one. This is little more difficult. Group 5, Yuvraj and Shashwat. Name of a mountain, 7 letters.
Okay, sir. Sir, H.
H, no, it is not that big mountain. I told you it is difficult. So it is not H. It is an important mountain, but a smaller mountain.
I
7 letters.
Japan.
No, it is in India.
India.
In India, mountain.
Sir, it is showing 8.
Yeah.
Sir, it is showing 8 letters here.
Oh, okay.
Sir, Everest.
Yeah, it is 8 letters. Sorry, I told wrongly. It is 8 letters. So I spoke. A. Okay, you have got A. Somebody told R.
Yes, I told it.
R.
M.
Now you have got most of it. You should get the rest of it. Huh?
It is M. Monkey.
A monkey. Okay.
Sir, Araboil.
Ara?
Sir, Araboil.
Ara boil, I don't know what it is. You tell me the spelling. You tell the letters. You tell the letters one by one.
Sir, A-R-A. Sir, B-I-T-I.
B. No, B is wrong. I is correct.
Sir, I. Q.
Q is wrong. Now we will move to the next team. Now we have made it easy for the other teams to guess. So we will come to group 1. Sanskruti, Arnika.
Sir, Araboli.
Tell again. Can you tell the spelling?
Araboli.
Spelling.
A-R-A. B-A. L-I.
Okay, very good. So 5 points, group 1. Aravalli. Aravalli is in Rajasthan. Okay, Rajasthan has desert, Rajasthan has forts, Rajasthan has palaces, and Rajasthan has Aravalli. Okay, So now we are at the end of round 2. So scorers will tell their points. Do we want to play more rounds?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now this is a difficult one. I had kept for group 6. This can be audience round while the scorers get the points. Mountain, 7 letters. Huh?
A.
A.
Sir, H. Is it H? Okay.
Yeah, H I put H.
Is it Vindhya?
Vindhya, correct. Vindhya is the correct answer.
Okay, shall we share the scores?
Yes, please. Please share the scores.
Is it visible?
No, not visible. I am.
No.
Okay, fine. We'll read it out. Group 1, 10. Group 2, 15. Group 3, 20. Group 4, 20. And group 5, 5.
Okay. So actually, if group 4 were more patient, now they would have shot up with much bigger score if they waited for their time. And group 2 and group 3, they would not have helped. But anyway, they are very generous, nice group. They help others. So we will now move to the next round. The next round has got some different rules. Okay. We will move away from the audience because we had some audience questions. Okay. Now, next round is on Asia. And we have, the rules are different. Okay. The rules are like this. You know, one group, the first group will, I will tell you what to name, a city or a country or a river in Asia, and then you will get +2. Then it will move to the next group. They will tell another city or country or river, and then they will get another +2. Like this, it will keep moving till one group cannot answer. When one group cannot answer, game will continue, but now the score will increase to +5. Same way, again, game will continue. And if another group cannot answer, now score will increase to +10. Okay. It may be difficult to understand. Do not speak out of turn because then it will help the other groups. But you will learn. This is the first time we are playing this. We will learn. This is a practice. Let us, audience will do this practice. So that other people can understand. Okay. So let us all practice, audience. Name a country of South America. Please fast, audience, can you just help them by naming countries? So then we can show the game as it goes.
Brazil.
Brazil, yeah. So you get 2 points. Next.
Chile.
G. Colombia, 2 points. 2 points, go on.
Argentina.
Argentina, 2 points.
Guyana.
Guyana, 2 points.
Peru.
Peru, 2 points.
Bolivia.
Bolivia, 2 points.
Venezuela.
Venezuela, 2 points. Okay, so you have got the game now. Now you will, so different groups. Only thing is here, it won't be random. Like now with audience, it was random. Anybody can speak. But here again, it is group 1, group 2, group 3. You will speak like that. Do not speak out of turn. You speak and get your 2 points. If some group cannot speak, after that, it will become 5 points. Okay, so let us begin. Question 1, name a country of Asia. Okay. Any country of Asia, but not India, Pakistan, China, Russia. Any other country you name, group 1, and you will get 2 points. Sanskruti, Arnika. Any country. Thailand, very good, 2 points. Now group 2, Niti and Nikhilesh.
Mongolia.
Mongolia, very good, 2 points. Group 3, Sarthak, Asmi.
Sir, Kazakhstan,
Kazakhstan.
Afghanistan.
Who is telling all this?
Sir, Nicholas.
So this is out of turn. Again, shall I give -10? But you don't get any points. I told this is group 3's turn, na? Did you not hear?
Sir, you are becoming more liberal, sir.
I'm becoming more liberal, so people are taking advantage, right?
Advantage.
So from now on, Nikhilesh, from now on it will be -10, and actually you are losing chance for yourself, huh? So group 3 now, please. And you cannot repeat an old answer. Okay, so Thailand, Kazakhstan, Mongolia, these cannot be repeated. Group 3 now.
Sir, England.
England, no. So this was a wrong answer. So England is not a country in Asia. Okay. So from now on, groups will get 5 points for answering. So group 4 now. Group 4.
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka, 5 points. Now group 5.
Sir, Nepal.
Nepal, 5 points. Nepal, 5 points. Now group 1, back to group 1. Japan, 5 points. Group 2, Niti, Nikhilesh.
Iran.
Iran, 5 points. Next, group 3.
Sir, Afghanistan.
Now -10. So I cannot be liberal, continue to be liberal. Huh? So now
Sir,
for
said,
group
but
2, for group 2, -10. Okay. Sorry, I told group 3. Now chance for group 3 now. No more Afghanistan. Group 3. Okay. Now we'll move to group 4.
Sir, Bhutan.
Bhutan, 5 points. Bhutan, 5 points. Group 5.
Sir, Myanmar.
Myanmar, 5 points. Now back to group 1.
Korea.
Korea, very good. 5 points. But there is North Korea and there is South Korea. But I will give it for Korea, 5 points. Now group 2, give only one answer.
North Korea.
No. Korea is done. Some other answer.
Okay. Indonesia.
Indonesia, excellent. 5 points. Now group 3.
Sir, Iran.
Iran, nobody has told so far, na? Iran?
Sir, I think anybody has told.
No,
Nobody has told you that.
nobody has told Iran.
No,
Yeah.
sir. Iran, nobody.
So 5 points. No, group 3, 5 points. Group 4 now. Group 4.
Sir, Philippines.
Philippines, excellent. 5 points. 5 points for group 4. Group 5 now.
Sir, Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, excellent. 5 points. Group 5, 5 points. Now back to group 1.
Taiwan.
Just 1 minute. Some people have been.
Taiwan.
Taiwan, 5 points.
Good.
That was which group now?
Group 1.
Sanskriti Panda, sir. Sanskrit.
Group 1. So group 1. So now group 2. Japan, 5 points. Excellent. Next, group 3.
Africa.
Huh?
Sir, Japan is over. He is telling again.
It is not. That is my job, na? Nikhilesh, why are you doing my job? Next time you take the quiz. See, Nikhilesh, next time he will plan the quiz. We will discuss. Japan is taken. So group 3, anything else? Otherwise, we move to group 4.
Sir, Africa.
No, Africa is wrong answer. It is not a country and it is not in Asia. Okay. So now we move to group 4. See, I told you have to read the atlas. If you read the atlas, you will get all the answers. Just one page, Asia map has all these answers. Now group 4.
Oman. Sir, Oman.
Oman, excellent. 5 points. Group 5.
Iraq.
Iraq, 5 points. 5 points. Now group 1. We'll have one more round. Okay. Very good. You have been reading the atlas. So group 1. Sanskruti, Arnika.
Sir.
Not your turn.
That's mine, not my turn. Which group?
Group 1, group 1.
The voice is breaking, so I can't hear.
My voice is breaking. Okay. Group 1.
Yes.
Oh, group 1. Can you hear group 1?
Vietnam.
Vietnam, excellent. Excellent. 5 points. Now Nikhilesh.
Who is turning the pages of the book?
Who is turning
Sir.
pages of the book? If you are turning the pages of the
Somebody is
book.
turning the pages of the book.
Oh, okay.
Sir, Syria.
Now then we will change this this round. We will complete this round and it is over. And Nikhilesh and Niti now. Any more country? To
Sir,
get
Syria.
Syria. Very good. Very good. SYRIA. 5 points. Now group 3.
But
No but.
somebody is turning the pages of the book. Please don't turn.
Group 3. Your next round is open book. Then you can turn. Group 3. Okay. Group 4.
Sir, Israel.
Israel, excellent. 5 points. And now last, group 5. Last chance, group 5.
Sir, Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia, 5 points. Okay. So this round is over.
Sir, I want to say one.
Yes, please, Nikhilesh.
But you can, if you will give points, I didn't matter that.
You tell. What did you want to say?
Qatar.
Huh?
Qatar.
Qatar. Very good. Qatar. No, but the round is over. So I will not give the points. Very good.
Okay.
QATAR.
It doesn't matter.
Qatar. Yes, exactly. That's the thing. You know that matters. Excellent, Nikhilesh. Now, question 2. Now, don't turn pages. Okay. Again, we will go with, start with with group 1. Name a river of Asia. Same rules. Not any river of.
Can you repeat the marks for question 1?
No, see, I was telling with everybody, 5 points, 5 points. Initially, it was 2 points. After group 3 missed it once, then it was 5 points every time. Hello.
Okay, we lost count.
You lost count. Okay. So that is bad luck for people. We will move on to now. Then you should have kept track, na? Now we will come to river of Asia. Okay, whatever you kept track, you count and keep the count. Now.
Sir, मुझे नहीं पता.
नहीं पता. Okay, we will not a problem. आप atlas देखिए next time. We will play again. Not a problem at all. अगर नहीं पता. I want you to read the atlas. That is why we are having this game. Okay. So now group 2. Niti, Nikhilesh. Name a river of Asia, but not in India.
Sir, Nile.
River of Asia. So this is a wrong answer.
Everyone, please turn on your video.
Yeah, if anybody does not have video, they don't get to score. If anybody in one team does not have, they don't get to score. Good point. So team 2 does not get it. And because team 2 gave a wrong answer, from now on it is 5 points.
Sir, Amazon.
No, again another wrong answer you have given, and it is not your turn. Okay, now it is group 3. Nile and Amazon. Nile is in Africa, Egypt. Okay, and Amazon is in South America. Okay, river of Asia, group 3. Asmi is there?
Yes.
Yeah. If you don't know, you pass, like group 1 said pass. Okay. Okay, we'll come to group 4.
Sir,
Aditya and Sonakshi, yes. Huh?
yellow river.
Yellow river. Yellow river. We will grant that. So 5 points. Group 5. Yuvraj, Shashwat.
Sir, it is.
Sir, Sindhu.
Sindhu, we will grant it. Okay, we will grant it 5 points. Though people can argue about this.
Because that is half in India and half in Pakistan.
Yes, yes. So I'm granting it for 5 points. Next, we will come to group 1. They said they cannot answer. So we'll go to group 2.
Sir, Indus.
He has told Sindhu already, so we will not grant that. Huh?
Sir, Sindhu is also Indus, no?
Yes, yes, correct. So we will not grant. No, it is already done. Already
Okay.
told. Okay. But if you want, you will get one more chance. You tell.
Yes.
The last time's quiz, if you thought about it, there were many names that I told. So, okay, let us move on to group 3.
Sir, Brahmos.
Brahmos. Brahmos. Is there a river? Can somebody in audience tell me? Brahmos.
No, 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 no.
Huh?
No, no.
No,
Brahmos
there is no river.
not there. Yeah.
Not
okay.
there.
Okay. So then group 3, group 4, group 5. Okay, so this is looking like difficult round. So we will close this here. Can you tell the scores? The idea again is, if you saw the physical map of Asia, you would have got lots of names of rivers. I will not tell you the names of those rivers. You go and discover. There are lots of long names. Maybe we can have a class on Atlas. Okay, we will discuss that later. And half an hour, all those who want to join will join, and we will look at Atlas. Okay. Scorers, are you ready?
Yes, sir. For question number 2, group 4 has scored 5 and group 5 has also scored 5. But for question number 1, we'll give
the marks.
Not no marks for anybody, but that is where people score.
As of now,
okay.
Yeah. We have actually few marks, but we missed out few because of the poor network. We will cross check that and get back to you.
No, okay, we can dump that if needed. Okay, so now there is audience question, so there is opportunity for people to learn here. Okay, name 3 countries where IPL is being played. Anybody can answer. 3 countries. This also topic is Asia.
Sir, Maharashtra.
No, Maharashtra is not a country.
Sir, India.
Sir, India.
No, India. Now India, this year IPL is not being played in India. It is being played in 3 other countries.
UAE.
UAE. Actually, UAE is the place, but there are 7 different countries in UAE.
Sir, Chennai.
No, not Chennai. Chennai is a team. Okay.
China.
No. The 3 countries are Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, and Dubai.
Sir, India. London.
No. Don't make just guesses. No.
Sir, I think I have to tell Pakistan.
No, not Pakistan. Name 2 Asian countries that are also part of Europe. There are 2 Asian countries which are in Asia.
Sir,
and
Russia. Sir,
Russia is one. Very good. There is one more. There is one more country, both in Asia and in Europe.
Sir, Afghanistan.
No. It has to be at the edge of Asia, na? Because it is in both Asia and Europe. So that country is Turkey. Okay. Turkey. Okay. And name some Asian countries that did not exist in 1990. In 1990, these countries did not exist.
East Timor.
Sir, Pakistan.
No, Pakistan was there. East
East
Timor, I don't know. So if that's the correct answer, huh?
China.
No, China also was there. Okay, so we will get to the answers here. See, the Soviet Union, it broke up in 1991. That was one country. And after that, it became many countries, 15 countries. Some of them are in Europe, some of them are in Asia. Okay, so in Asia, you have Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan. You also have Azerbaijan, Armenia, Georgia. So these countries came into existence in 1991. They were not there in 1990. Okay. There were some other countries also in Europe, like Ukraine, Belarus. So these were part of the Soviet Union. Now we will move to the last round. These are all the old rules. This is a difficult round, and so this is open book. It is the old rules like last two times. Okay, and this is the theme is the world, continents and nations, seas and oceans, straits and deserts. Okay, so that is the theme. This is open book, open atlas, last round. Shall we begin?
Yes.
Yes, Shashwat will begin. Sarthak?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Atlas, you can consult. Open book exam. Okay, group 1. How many continents are there? Name the continents. Time.
Continents are there. Name the continents. Sir, continents matlab?
Then you cannot answer. Huh? We will move on. ठीक है? Asia एक continent का नाम है. Europe is one continent, like that.
In this round.
Okay, so now we will come to the next group, group 2. How many continents are there? Name the continents.
7 continents.
So you tell Niti, what are the 7 continents?
North America, South America, Asia, Europe, Australia, and Africa, Antarctica.
Excellent. 7 continents. You have named 7, and so you get 10 points. So group 2 gets 10 points. Now we will. Okay. So now we will come to group 2 question. Okay. This is a more difficult question. Niti and Nikhilesh, arrange the countries from east to west. So you have to tell which country is in the most east, then next east, and then which is the most west.
Sir, Japan.
Okay,
Japan.
then
Bangladesh.
okay, keep telling.
France.
Okay,
Iran.
Iran,
Egypt.
Egypt.
And last is Brazil.
Okay, Niti, would you like to change anything here? What Nikhilesh has told is Japan, Bangladesh, France, Iran, Egypt, Brazil.
Sir, I want to change something.
Okay.
Iran will be from the east. France will be in the west.
Okay. So then your answer is Japan, Bangladesh, Iran, France, Egypt, Brazil.
Yes.
Okay, Niti, would you like to?
Yes.
Niti, would you like to change anything? Okay, this is not the perfect answer. Yes, Niti? Yeah,
No, sir.
okay.
No, sir.
Yeah, so this is not the perfect answer. So group 3 will get a chance to give a better answer. Then we will move to group 4. Can you give a better answer? Better answer means what group 2 has answered is Japan is the easternmost, then Bangladesh, Iran, France, Egypt, Brazil. So do you have any better answer? Did they make any mistake?
Japan is Japan,
Huh?
Bangladesh,
Okay.
Egypt,
Okay.
Iran,
Mm-hmm.
French,
Mm-hmm.
BRHIL.
One country you did not name, but this was a good try. But this is not better than Nikhilesh. This was also good, but you won't. Yeah, but you won't get any points for this because this is not a perfect answer. We will come to group 5 and see if they can give a better answer.
First is Japan, then Bangladesh, then then Iran, then France, then Egypt, then Brazil.
That is the same answer as Nikhilesh. So you don't get any points for that. Identical answer as Nikhilesh. See, now this is open book exam. So I don't know if you are looking at the book. If you are looking at the atlas, you should get the answer. You should know how to read the atlas. Okay. Group 1. Shall we come to group 1? Open book. Do you want to answer this?
Sir, I want to answer it.
Yeah. Yes, Yuvraj. You tell.
First is Japan. Then is see the book.
Yes, this is open book. No, I told you this full round is open book. Yes.
First is Japan. Then is
No. If you are taking so much time, Yuvraj, I will not give, na, because your teammate has given a wrong answer. And yes.
Japan, Bangladesh.
Then no, we will move on to group 1. Okay, you should have been prepared. This is open book, same questions. So group 1. No? Okay. So then all groups we have given a chance. See, the correct answer is Japan is in the easternmost.
Sir, I can give the answer.
Yeah, see, no, you got your
You
chance.
didn't give me points.
You will, yeah, you tell. You tell. Okay, Nikhilesh, you tell. Nikhilesh?
Yes, Japan, Bangladesh, Iran. France. And then Egypt and Brazil.
That was your last time's answer. Okay, now let us see what is the correct answer. See, everybody look at your screen at the world map. You have got an orange star at the easternmost, that is Japan. So Japan is most at the east. Then you move towards west and you have Bangladesh, that is a blue star. Where you see the blue star, that is Bangladesh. Next, you see a red star, that is Iran. And next you have a maroon star or a brownish star, that is Egypt. This is where Nikhilesh was wrong. Only one place Nikhilesh was wrong. After Iran comes Egypt. And then you have a green star, that is France. And you go a little south and a little west, you will see Brazil, that is a violet star. Okay, so that's a violet star, Brazil. So that is most west. So Nikhilesh had got almost everything right, only Egypt was a little wrong. And so you get 8 points. Group 2 gets 8 points. 8 out of 10. Now let us move. Yeah, so this is the answer. Japan, Bangladesh, Iran, Egypt, France, Brazil, countries from east to west. And now for group 3, question for group 3, how many oceans are there and name the oceans. It is open book exam. Open book. See the atlas. It's on world map. All the answers are there.
Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean.
And tell loudly. Time is running out, so you tell loudly. Sarthak, you tell loudly.
Sir, Arctic Ocean,
Okay.
Atlantic Ocean,
Okay.
Indian Ocean,
Okay. Very good.
Pacific Ocean,
And then
and then Andaman Sea.
no, that is a wrong answer. Oceans. 5 oceans are there. Okay. So you have named 4. We will move to group 4. We will see if they can give a better answer. Group 4, you will not get more time now because you had the time to look at the atlas when Sarthak.
Sir,
Yes,
9 oceans are there.
9 oceans are there. You tell the 9 oceans.
Okay, Africa Ocean.
No, Africa is wrong. Aditya was telling something.
North America Ocean.
That is a continent. That is a I can't hear Aditya.
Indian Ocean.
No. Then it passes to group 5. Can you give a better answer? Group 3 gave very correct answer. Only little that could not tell. Group 5. Yuvraj, Shashwat.
It is, there are,
Sir, there are 5 oceans and the oceans name are Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean and Yuvraj, you tell.
yeah, Indian Ocean and, what is that?
See, what other people have told, don't tell. You tell what was missing.
Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and, what is, wait.
Pacific Ocean and what?
No, you have not told any new thing. So we will move to group 1. I thought this is a very easy question. Okay. Group 1 now.
Sir,
Group 1. Yes.
It is,
No. You have got enough time. No more time. Group 1. Arnika, Sanskruti.
Arabian Sea. That is not a sea.
That is a C.
PNC.
No, now it is out of turn. It is out of turn. Okay. So we go to group 1. Sanskruti, Arnika.
Ocean. Southern Ocean. Sir, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean.
Sir, Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean.
Southern Ocean to Atlas में लिखा है. So I can't give wrong for that. Who told Southern Ocean?
Sir, I told.
But you told out of turn, na? But I have been liberal with other people, so I cannot penalize you. See, group 3 gets 8 points for getting 4 out of 5 oceans right. Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean. The 5th ocean is called Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean, Arctic, Antarctic. In the near the South Pole, you have Antarctic Ocean. That is where you get penguins in Antarctica. Okay, but in your atlas, it is also written Southern Ocean. Okay, so Southern Ocean, I will give you points for that. So 2 points for group 5 and 8 points for group 3. Scorers, you are listening to this?
Yes.
Tanya?
Yeah,
So group 3 has got 8 points and group 5 has got 2 points. So Southern Ocean is Antarctic also. And now see, this is the question. Arrange states and union territories of India from north to south. Okay, again, this is open book exam. So the thing that is northernmost you have to tell first. The thing that is most south you have to tell last. Okay, arrange them. North first. Group 4.
Jammu and Kashmir is first.
Very good.
Uttarakhand second.
Uttarakhand is not one of the 6. Maharashtra is second.
No. Punjab is second.
Punjab is second. Okay. What is? Then you tell what is third.
Madhya Pradesh is third. Then Maharashtra is fourth. Karnataka is fifth.
But there are 6 states there, na?
Yes. Punjab seventh.
Punjab you told second.
Second, it is Punjab is second.
Yeah, so but you have told 5 now. 6 you have to tell, na?
1 minute, sir. I can tell. सही से मैं बोल दूंगी.
हाँ, बोलो.
Jammu and Kashmir is first. Jammu and Kashmir is first. Punjab is second. Uttar Pradesh is third. Madhya Pradesh is fourth. Maharashtra is fifth. And Karnataka is sixth.
Yeah. So that's the. Can you repeat again? Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh. Then
Madhya Pradesh.
Then
Maharashtra. Then Karnataka.
Excellent, excellent. So group 4, full 10 points. You see that orange star, that is Jammu and Kashmir, right on top of the map. Then Punjab, green star. Then you have the red star, that is Uttar Pradesh. Then you have the blue star, that is Madhya Pradesh. Then the brown star, Maharashtra. And last, as you go down, Karnataka, violet star. Okay. So those are the 6 states. Correct order, 10 points. Okay. So this was the order in which you told. But you have to be much faster. You have to be much faster.
Now I was confused.
Yes. So as we practice more, you will get better. Okay. This was very good. So as you see more later quizzes, we will see that this will not be open book. Okay. So then you have to remember. So you have to see the atlas. Because it is difficult, we will have some practice. Okay. So
I was not confused, but when the Aditya was told, so I was confused.
That is okay. That is okay. We get confused. But you told the correct answer in the end. That is good. Now, this is the practice question, for group 5 and practice question for group 5, but anybody can answer so that you understand my question. Okay. What sea lies between Indian Peninsula and Myanmar? Can you tell what is the sea that lies between Indian Peninsula and Myanmar?
Bay of Bengal.
Bay of Bengal. Excellent. Who gave this answer? Niti. Very good. Very good. So group 5, have you understood this? Why this is the correct answer?
Sir, I did not understand.
You did not understand. See, that is what. See, you see India, the Indian peninsula is the southern part of India that is jutting into the sea. Okay, that is the Indian peninsula. And you see Myanmar on the map on the east. Between India and Myanmar, what sea is there?
Bay of Bengal.
Bay of Bengal.
Bay of Bengal.
Bay of
So
Bengal.
that is the question. So Bay of Bengal is the question. Okay, so I wanted you to understand this. So one more practice question. This is more difficult. Last one was easier. So what lies between Malaysia and Indonesia? You see the map. Malaysia is there and Indonesia is there. What lies between Malaysia and Indonesia? Practice question again. Anybody can answer. Huh?
Strait of Malacca, something.
Excellent, excellent. So Strait of Malacca lies between Malaysia and Indonesia. Okay, and Singapore is there, is a port city. It's a port in that Strait of Malacca. Okay, so a lot of ships will pass through this Strait of Malacca. So that's the answer. Between Malaysia and Indonesia, you have Strait of Malacca. Now, so this is where you have the strait where you see the stars. Yeah, another practice question, the last practice question. What sea separates Vietnam from Philippines? You have Vietnam, I have marked it with an orange star, and Philippines is marked with a brown star or red star. What sea lies between Vietnam and Philippines?
South China Sea.
Correct. It is written in big letters. It's a very big sea. South China Sea lies between Vietnam and Philippines. So now you have understood. So now this is question for group 5. Okay. It is not an easy question, as I told you. Now what separates the two countries?
Is it open book or not?
It is open book. It is open book. So what separates the two countries or continents on the blue line? So let me explain my question. Okay. See, the question is between India and Sri Lanka, what separates them? And the answer is one of the 5 yellow boxes. One of the 5. So it is not anything. It is one of the 5. What separates India and Sri Lanka?
Strait.
What separates? Huh? What?
Sir, Indian Ocean.
Indian Ocean. Now you see all the choices. Okay, what separates USA and Japan? Okay.
The Sea of Japan.
Okay. What separates Australia and Africa? You are not watching your atlas, I think. Okay. What separates Australia and Africa? What separates Japan and Korea?
Pacific Ocean. Sir, Australia and Africa, Pacific Ocean.
Now Stormer is making guesses only. Huh?
Sir, it is not India and Sri Lanka is strait. Sir, India and Sri
Sir,
Lanka.
Japan and Korea, Pac Strait. And Saudi Arabia and Africa, Red Sea.
Okay, you tell me the final answer for all 5.
India and Sri Lanka is Pac Strait.
Okay.
What? Please, Yuvraj, please stop 1 minute. India and Sri Lanka, what separates? A Pac Strait. What is Pac Strait? You know first?
Yes, it is in the book.
Yes, but in Indian Ocean, that is Indian Ocean separates the Sri Lanka and India. I think it.
India and Sri Lanka is separated by Pac Strait. Yes, sir.
Now you have spent a lot of time. India and Sri Lanka, you are not able to decide. There are 4 others.
Sir, you
Sir,
said
it is divided. Sir, it is separated by Indian Ocean. Sri
Not-
Lanka and India separates by Indian Ocean. No. Okay.
Sir, it is Pac Strait.
No, sir. This Pac Strait.
You leave this. See, you leave this question. No, 4 other answers are there. You tried those 4 others.
Sir,
And the
USA.
4 other groups, while they are arguing, you please look for the answers in your books, and then your chance will come. Yes, can you tell between USA and Japan, group 5?
See, Indian Ocean is below Sri Lanka, so that's why it is not.
Indian Ocean is not below in and Sri Lanka. Miss. Sir,
Okay,
sir, is
you have now, I will not give you more time to argue the same thing you are arguing. Okay, now we will go to group 1. Mhm.
And India is separated by Palk Strait.
Okay, but why are you only on India, Sri Lanka? Now there are so many other questions.
Australia and Africa.
What is Australia and Africa? What do you have?
Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is separated by Australia and Africa. USA and Japan is separated by North Pacific Ocean.
Okay, okay, very good. Then
What is that? Australia, Saudi Arabia and Africa. Saudi Arabia and Africa. Separated by Red Sea. Sir, Saudi and Arabia and Africa is separated by Red Sea. Japan and Korea is separated by Japan and Korea is separated by Sea of Japan.
okay,
Done.
and so India and Sri Lanka is separated by.
Straight.
Okay, so I will give you full points to group 5, even though Shashwat will not give full points.
Sir,
Okay. Yes, yes, Nikhilesh.
in North Korea, if you want to buy any car or something vehicle, you need a license. buy.
In India also you need not to drive, not to buy the car.
In India, we need to drive. We want a license to drive.
To drive.
But in Korea, we need both.
You to buy car also. Yes, yes. So it is better don't go to Korea. Very difficult.
And if we will go to Korea. We can't do any calls and all. They will keep our phones in their airport only.
Oh, okay, okay. Plus it is very cold also.
It's okay, but they didn't allow some places.
They don't allow, right?
To take a photo.
Yes, they don't allow you to take photo. And if you take photo, then they will arrest you, put you in jail.
And if the children want to go outside for some work and all, they didn't get allowed.
Yes, yes, right.
They only get a permission to see a statue of the dictator of North Korea.
Yes, yes, yes. So you know a lot about North Korea. Very good, Nikhilesh. And so here are the answers. I hope everybody has got a chance to see the answers. Group 5 gets full points for giving the right answers. Shashwat, we can speak later why it is not the Indian Ocean. Okay, but I like that you were so you were so assertive, and you also saw the map. Very good. Let's move. See, this question we will not have because group 6 is not there. Okay, and we will give time to the scorers to tell the scores. And we have some.
We are ready with the.
We are
ready with the scores.
You have to ready now, but yeah, but I have got some very interesting audience questions.
Okay.
So there is something to learn for everybody. I also did not know many of these things. I did not know when I made these questions. I Googled and found out. So it will be learning experience for all students, teachers, audience, parents, everybody. Okay. So let us see some audience questions here. The questions are like this: which is the largest country with no rivers? Okay, you can give the answers in any order, then we will discuss the answers. Which is the largest country with no rivers?
Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia, excellent, excellent. So who told that?
Satyam.
Satyam, okay. Which is the largest country with no rivers? Saudi Arabia. Which is the highest country in the world? Highest means country with the highest average elevation. Okay. It means very mountainous and hilly country. Yes. Yuvraj told something? Sarthak telling something?
No, sir. No, sir.
Sorry, I'm not able to hear clearly what Yuvraj is telling.
Sir, Bhutan.
Bhutan. But what did Yuvraj say? Russia. No, it is not Russia, because Russia is a large country, you know, it has mountains, but it has also got plains. Okay, Bhutan is a small country in the Himalayas. So that's the highest country in the world. Which is the lowest country in the world? Means lowest average altitude. It is almost on sea level. Okay, which is the lowest country in the world?
Sri Lanka.
Maldives.
Sri Lanka is a good
Jordan.
choice, but you know, it has some mountains also. Maldives is the correct answer. Lowest average altitude. Okay. If there is a little bit of global warming by 2050, maybe there will be no Maldives. Okay. Bangladesh also has got a very low average altitude. Very
Sir.
low. Yes.
I have a question, but I
Yes.
didn't know the answer also.
Yes. Yes.
There is a city where the buildings are made in the water. The people use boats like vehicles.
That should be Venice.
What is that?
Venice.
Yeah, Venice is
Venice
one
in
answer.
Italy.
Yeah.
Venice.
Sir, what?
Where people go in boats, not in cars or cycles.
Kerala.
There are a lot of canals.
Paris, somewhere in Paris.
Means there is no land there.
No, there is land. On land, you have the buildings are there in the land.
No. There is a small piece of land.
Singapore.
No, Singapore land is
Buildings
there.
are also made on the water. Made on the water.
Venice.
No, so we have to find out if there is no
No
land
land.
at all. No land at all. We have to find out.
Yes.
Aquarium.
Sir, Venice.
Now Venice is one answer I can think of. Okay. The
Nice
last-
question. Good.
Last
nice
three:
question.
which country has most forest area? Which countries have no trees? And do all countries have an airport? Okay. Let us move on.
also.
Huh?
Norway also.
Norway.
Norway.
Spelling?
Sir,
Huh.
it is once shown in the very famous
I
cartoon.
think Qatar is something which has no trees, I think. Not
Sir,
Oman has no trees.
Qatar,
Okay.
I think.
Okay, let us see the answers. Country with
Sir.
most forest area, Suriname has 95% forest coverage. Now we'll just complete this and come to Nikhilesh. Okay, so
Sir.
Suriname has 95%. No, you learn this also, na Nikhilesh. Which
Yes,
country has maximum forest area? No, see, you see one country,
95%.
95% of the country is forest coverage. Okay, Suriname. I'll not tell you where is Suriname. You find out in the map where is Suriname.
Okay.
Okay, 95% forest coverage. It will be great to stay in this country. Huh? Which countries have no trees? San Marino, Qatar, you are right, Satyam, Greenland and Oman. So these countries have no trees.
Sir, Oman.
Actually, Greenland is not a country, but yes,
Right.
all of it, no trees. Countries with no airport: Andorra, Liechtenstein,
Sir,
Monaco,
Vatican City.
San
Sir,
Marino.
Vatican City.
Yes, right. So, and Nikhilesh, what else you were telling?
Sir, I am saying it's shown in the very famous cartoon. Cartoon.
Oh, okay.
Oggy
What
and
is
the
that?
Cockroaches.
Okay. So you can tell
I
the
didn't know
answer.
that's real or not.
Oh, okay.
In next quiz, I will find out and I will tell you.
Yes,
if it is
you
something.
find out. So what is the final score now? Scorer will tell.
So
And
group
Sushant, I support you.
the final scores: group 1 10, group 2 33, group 3 28, 4 35,
35
and
or
group
45?
5 22.
No, group 4,
35.
45. Yeah, so group 4 is the winners. So well done, group 4. And group 2.
sir.
Group 2 is, yeah, Sonakshi is very happy. Where is, and group 2 is 33.
So Aditya has been rewarded for his generosity.
Sir, who is second?
Rewarded for their
You are
generosity.
second.
I am excited.
Yeah,
Group
yeah.
2.
Excited.
Excited. Very good.
Sir, I am very excited.
You are also very excited. Did you apply that -10 for group 2?
No.
No, you didn't apply. Oh, okay, okay.
Because quiz master is liberal now, that's why.
No, the scorers also were liberal. See?
Acha, Shashwat, I want to say something. Shashwat, Park Strait and you are right. Almost, I mean, 50% you are right. There is an Indian Ocean also. Park Strait is the right answer, but there is an Indian Ocean between this. That is good.
Sir, I can't listen.
Satyam, please repeat.
Shashwat, hello.
Yes, sir. Sir, now good.
You said now that there is an Indian Ocean in between us, this
Yes,
India
sir.
and Sri Lanka.
Yes, sir.
Park Strait is the right answer. That's separated. The question was about separated, but in
Yes.
between this, there is an Indian Ocean also.
Indian Ocean is also partially correct answer. That's what.
Yes.
Okay. But the most correct answer is Park Strait.
Park Strait, right.
Hmm.
So you both were right.
Sir,
हाँ.
सर मेरी मम्मी बोली थी कि वो जो एक सिटी रहता है या स्टेट रहता है, कोई कंट्री रहता है, पता नहीं मुझे, वहाँ ना 64 या 65 मून्स रहते हैं.
क्या रहता है? 65?
65 मून्स रहते हैं.
65 moons. Okay, okay. We have only one moon. But some planet has 65 moons. That is possible. Jupiter has got how many? 12 moons, no?
63.
65 moons.
63 moons in Jupiter.
Oh, Jupiter has 63 moons. So yes,
Yes.
so Arnika, that
Your
is
mother is right, but it's a planet.
Jupiter.
Yes.
Sir, some small moons are there that our satellite can't find, so we accept that Jupiter has 6 or.
But in India have only one moon.
India has only one moon. Yes.
You can go to Jupiter if you want 63 moons.
It will be fun to see 63 moons from Jupiter.
I certain know the 65 moons in Jupiter.
We will reach Mars in 2025. After that, we can go Jupiter.
Mars has got 2 moons, but they are very small moons.
Yes, sir, Deimos and Phobos.
Very good, very good,
Right.
very good.
तो
So sometimes
जुपिटर के अंदर भी जुपिटर के अंदर भी जा सकते हैं.
तो सुनो अर्निका, you study this very soon, then we will have an astronomy quiz.
What?
Then we will discuss these things.
Yes.
Sir, I love astronomy quiz.
You love astronomy quiz, na?
Sir, what is the formula to measure the speed of light?
Formula 2?
Measure the speed of light.
Okay, Yuvraj.
Formula for speed of
E is equal to
Yuvraj, yesterday was the birthday of a scientist who first calculated the speed of light. Just find out about him.
Einstein.
No, yesterday was the birthday of a scientist who first calculated the speed of light. So with this clue, please find out about the scientist.
25th September is the birthday of whom scientist?
Equal to MC is Einstein's law.
Sir, yesterday Einstein.
25th September is the birthday of which scientist?
Who first calculated the speed of light. Okay, now
Sir, E is equal to MC square, that was Einstein's law.
yeah, that is Einstein. But just find out, if you love astronomy, then it is good to find out about some scientist. Okay. Yeah.
Quiz कब खत्म होगा?
He is very stylish. He is very
Quiz
stylish.
खत्म हो गया है. Aditya, quiz खत्म हो गया है, and you are the winner this time. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Aditya. Congratulations, Sonakshi.
Hmm.
And also Niti and Nicholas, they have also done very well.
Yes.
We have 43 against
you, sir.
45 of the team. So very good performance. So next
And
week we
Shashwat
have,
and Yuvraj also.
Festival of Odisha and Festival of India next Saturday. Okay, please be prepared for that. Yeah.
मेरा क्वेश्चन है पर वो आज तक मम्मी नहीं बोल पाई वो मैं आपको उसे जो वो क्विज होगा मैं उसमें आपको पूछ लूंगी
क्या क्या?
मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है आज तक वो मम्मी भी नहीं बोल पाई या पापा भी नहीं बोल पाए मैं वो जो और एक क्विज होगा मैं उसमें आपको पूछूंगी
क्यों अभी पूछ लो?
अभी पूछ लो, क्या दिक्कत है, पूछो।
ठीक है कौन सा क्वेश्चन था हाँ ये मैं आज तक बहुत बार मम्मी को पूछी हूँ स्काई कैसे बना
अच्छा, स्काई कैसे बनना है? गुड, ठीक है। हम जब एस्ट्रोनॉमी को क्विज करेंगे उसमें इसको फिर डिस्कस करेंगे। स्काई कैसे बना, अच्छा क्वेश्चन है।
हाँ
सर मेरा भी एक क्वेश्चन है।
निखिलेश बताओ।
पहले अंडा आया या मुर्गी आया?
फैंटास्टिक क्वेश्चन। जो पहले ऑर्डर दोगे वो पहले आएगा।
नहीं वो
Easy
नहीं है।
answer.
आंसर मुझे पता है।
ढाबा में जाके बैठ जाओ, पहले अंडा ऑर्डर दोगे तो पहले अंडा आएगा, पहले मुर्गी ऑर्डर दोगे तो
पहले अंडा आया उसके बाद मुर्गी आया।
चलो गुड गुड।
उसके बाद अंडा
अच्छा यहाँ सभी लोग इकट्ठा हो तो मैं सीट का जो काम दिया था सब लोग कर रहे हो?
सर यस सर।
तो किसी को कोई डाउट तो नहीं है?
नहीं सर।
ओके ओके
Okay, then let us close. Yeah. Thank you all.
ओके सर।
Okay.
बाय
Bye.
सर।
ओके
Bye.
थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी।
Go and enjoy your lunch.
बाय सर।
Bye.
बाय
बाय सर थैंक यू
बाय।
सर बाय
Bye.
थैंक यू सर
ओके बाय।